How to fix WhatsApp notification sound problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp notification sound problem on Android phone. First, go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and here just type here WhatsApp and you will find it. Then click on it, and first thing here just go to this one, notifications, and if you find this one like that, enable it, and now just check all of those here. Like if you have call notification sound problem, just click here, and here will find notification sound. Just click on it and manage it. Select any sound you want, and or if you have group notifications sound problem, just click group notifications and you can manage group notification sound. It's easy, and that's it for today's video. And then after that, just go back and clear cache and restart your phone and try again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.